Hello everyone, today we'll be working on styleGAN3 and CLIP. styleGAN basically produces high quality and realistic images, and styleGAN produces stimulated image from simple resolution to huge resolution, and can be used to implement style transfer. And here CLIP is basically used for image captioning. With the help of CLIP, the caption of the image will be given, and that caption will be transferred to styleGAN, and image will be produced using styleGAN3. So let's get started. First of all, we have to import libraries that will be used for this styleGAN and CLIP, and after that use this google.collab import for importing it in the drive, and after that define fetch, of course, for fetching the URL and the path, and define fetch model, and these are the name of the models that we'll be using here. These are their URL paths. Then is slugify. Basically slugify is used to identify a resource, and instead of a less readable identifier like an ID. Okay, it can be used when you want to refer to an item while preserving the ability to see. Okay, then define normalization, spherical distance loss, prompt distance loss for calculation. Then we'll define the class make cutouts for torch.nn for Pytorch. Okay, then we have to load the weights inside it, and when we are done with that, coming to the main part, this is the base URL. From here we have the models URL given, and here are 6 types of models stored. So we will be using this FFHQ model. It is called as flicker faces. In this we have high quality images of human faces, so we will be using this, and this is the model and model name. There are 6 model names with their URLs given, and let's start. Suppose share the text, and inside the text I've named a girl eating candy. Okay, so I've included 300 steps with teeth 14. Then we will compose, resize, run the time script, and print losses and losses shape and size. When we are done with this part, we'll get output starting from 0 to 300. We have a girl here with high quality. This is a high quality image. It looks like real, and then she'll be eating a candy, and I've included 300 steps, so it will be working one by one, 100, 110, and we can see the shape and the girl's total look is changing as the steps are increasing. And in 250 it is clearly visible that a girl is really eating a candy, and in 290 step we can see the clear picture of the girl having candy. Then if we want, it is an optional part, if we want to save the output of this picture in our tar file, it is up to us, so we can run this code. After that, if we want to make a video of the girl eating a candy, from these steps, the formation of these images, it will be stored here. It's also an optional step. If you want to go for it, you can go. It will just take 2-3 minutes. I have already run the code, and I'll show you the final output. This is the first a man smoking weed. The result was like this. It was a normal man, then he's smoking a weed. We can see the picture is completely changing as the steps are increasing. In this image I've also used 300 step. Yes, and the girl eating candy, it will be, yes, we can see the girl is having a candy and it is changing. So basically it is transferring the whole style. Final output, so you can use it from here. Thank you for watching.